It's Friday, June 11th. I'm standing on Stone Bridge, which is a historic bridge at the downstream end of Browns Canyon, where the river exits the canyon about 9 miles above Salida. The flows today are about 1,600 cubic feet per second, give or take. And while this is a bigger and more burly river than most people are accustomed to viewing when thinking about fishing the Arkansas, if you look down here, you can see visibility is actually really good. The river peaked yesterday and is now dropping. The tributaries are all in decline, and as a result, we're getting good clearing, particularly along the edges. The edges are what matter. This time of year, we think of the Arkansas River as two small streams, one running along each bank. And you can see in this footage here that first, it's going to vary from 4 to 8 feet or so off the edge, has a much slower current velocity because of obstructions and friction with the shoreline. And that is where a lot of our brown trout are going to be found at this time of year. It's also kind of the safe place to be when you're fishing a river running at this flow. This flow is significantly below the historic average for this date, but we would still consider it to be a significant amount of water. Here's a view downstream. And again, same idea, nice slow lane along the edge, and same with on the other side. That's where a lot of fish are going to be holding. I believe that this river is going to just continue to decline at a pretty measured rate over the next period of time, and that by the middle of next week we will probably have dropped to a point where most of these willows are no longer standing in the edge of the water, but they're up and out, and making fishing easier and access easier, less things to snag on. And then we will be entering one of the really great periods of fishing on the Arkansas River, when we have clearing and dropping flows following the challenges of runoff, and you have a lot of hungry fish stacked into a fairly narrow lane of water there, fairly competitive feeding environment, and they are putting more emphasis on getting food than safety and vigilance. And so that adds up to some pretty good fishing, throwing big dries, big streamers right in along the edges, and catching a lot of fish. So I would encourage people to be making plans to come to the Arkansas over the next 2 to 3 weeks. I think it's going to be excellent, and ought to be just a great summer generally, but this next period of time is going to be highly productive on the Arkansas River. For more information, you can call our fly shops at 719-539-4223. You can visit our website at arkanglers.com, or you can stop by the shops themselves in Salida and Buena Vista.